Okay, hey. You're messing up my video. Hey. Chill out, dude. You're messing up my video. Okay, so haven't made a video in a few days because my camera actually broke, and just got the new GoPro 5 Black today. So this is also a test of that. Willie, chill out, dude. I'm trying to make a video. You're interrupting my video. Hey, it's very rude. It's very rude of you, dude. You know that? Huh? It's very rude. It's cold, I know. Okay, so yeah, this is my new toy, the Honda 50. Picked it up. It's been 2 days now, actually. Hey, stop that. 2 days. And it's really clean. It's a 2004. Really, cut it out. 2004 model. Really didn't find any rust on it. It's really clean for a 2004. So paid $500 for it. Seat's good, no tears.